Okay, so we're here at Russel Milheim's paint shop. He is the sign dude, okay? Now, you are in Monticello, Kentucky.
Absolutely.
And where do you go to Nashville?
Oh yeah.
Where else?
Been down like Glasgow, Lexington, Somerset, London, Corbin.
Tennessee and Kentucky.
Yeah.
You paint signs.
Yeah.
Now, we'll give you an example. You can see he's doing automobiles. This is a sketch to be painted. And
That's what that will look like when it's done.
that's what it'll look like when it's done. It's on a sheet of aluminum. Aluminum does not rust. Okay? So this would be totally awesome. Well, I will make another video at the house because he has some finished aluminum products there. Awesome. Now, I have known Russell since 2007. Well, how would I know Russell? Well, Russell was the leader of the Shady Grove bluegrass band. And we picked banjo, bluegrass, guitar. He was the lead singer. And I come to visit, and guess what? He don't have a guitar. I am totally depressed. So this is his awesome workshop. That compressor there is quiet. He cranked it up. Man. So, and you are the paint guy. You're an established painter. If anybody needs a sign in Kentucky or Tennessee,
And artwork, airbrush.
artwork, yeah. Look at the airbrush. Okay, you could see he is awesome.
About 46 years.
Look at projector work. A lot of templates prefabbed already. Okay. Now, you didn't do that sign, so no, that's just a piece of metal you could use in the future.
That's someone wanted me to strip that down, put something on there.
Right. So, subscribe. You can comment if you leave a message if you want Russell to contact you. I'll put this on the YouTube channel under Larry Edgman. Now, another thing, I'm going to make another YouTube channel. It's going to be called Green Acres,
Exactly.
Kentucky Homestead.
Exactly.
And who's going to make my sign?
I will. I'll do it.
All right, we're going to sign off. We got to go back. We're going to go to Walmart. Thanks, guys. Subscribe and also give us a comment and a like. And look at the rat thing he did.
Hand painted.
This is hand painted, and it's a magnetic. That's hand painted. This as well. Okay, he's the sign dude. There's his number. Give him a call. Russell Milheim. I call him Rusty Millwill. Good night, guys.